Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope you had a wonderful day today. But there's a few trending topics I see popping in dancer that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch at the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with dancehall King Vybz Kartel baby mother, who's seemingly letting the world boss know that she is engaged. A lot of people is saying that she is married, but you know, it looks like an engagement ring to me. I don't know, people putting in the comment section what you think about that, because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I heard she migrated to Canada. You feel what I mean? Because you don't know what the thing said. If she did in Jamaica, well, putting in the comment section over the world boss react. You feel me? You don't know the history between the two. Has been disclosed the other day via an interview on Keisha Kaur. I'm sure. You feel me? Vybz Kartel let the world know. Them let the world know. Shout to give him a whole heap of bun. You see me? I never left no cheese for him. You know what I mean? Meaning no money never make when him did, you know, in a prison. You see me? I say, if it wasn't for, you know, him cellular phone, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You see me? I say, my people, unlike Keisha, who, you know, was left $2 million and flipped it into $6 million. You know what I mean? That is why she relates to them a lot, because you don't know the things that they was loyal to their king while he was in prison. But nevertheless, I'm just giving them an update while going for that to go and put in the comment section what you think about that. Okay, people, the next trending topic I see out there has to do with King and Shay. As you know, they were saying all of this begging online for, you know what, was all a prank, you feel me? And this is why a lot of people is saying they are scammers. You see, as you know, they recently crossed the border, X, Y, and Z. You don't know the whole scoop, you feel me? So let's hear what I'm going to go on with Ivany, internet sensation, and about this whole ordeal. You see,
have a house for two, and then just take some of the money and them go. Then again, probably somebody that looked for the house before for them, and then me not know every state different, but me not know as what the argument with me say. It didn't even pass 3 days yet. So me not, if I in Atlanta, you not take 3 days to get apartment. You not take so quick to get apartment, cause you have to go through all heap of things and have to do background check.
I don't want apartment doing now. The house is by itself.
That's why I say it's different, cause it states different. Them have to do background check. Them have to go through all heap of things before them can know say you verify if you go live there. Plus, them not the furniture, so it's easy for them going out or whatever. But the end of the day, them wrong still, because you can't a prank during a time like this.
That's true. So anyhow, unless one of their supporters will have a house, give them the house. Then not
yeah, but you have to understand, say, you have to understand, say, it no matter if them get the house long time or them just get it. You have to understand, say, you're in a situation that some people emotionally feel damaged, like they're sorry for you. So now is not the time. It wasn't a good time for prank somebody.
Wait, Ivany. Okay, so wait. Did they tell Una that them have the house from long time? Because everybody are commenting that. Did they say that though? Because I don't, as Mr. Guys, I don't see
and
everything.
The next thing, you see because them prank the people them now.
Yeah.
At this point, you can't even argue with the people. You understand? Because guess what? What if me did give King my money now? And then King come out. Remember, say King have him pity them, you know, me feel sorry for him. Suppose me did end all my life, like come this time, I come and go over my sensation, them the money, the money. And by the time you look now, King so them get the money now, them are going to sort out themselves and go deal with them thing. When you look, him show one all house at the same stay. And then after now, me see him live life. I go and think him a scammer, so you can't really blame the people them for feel or them want feel now, because it is what King put out. When him did I put the video, he should have made the people them know, say, guys, we get to our house, you know, but you see down here so at the basement now. So we have the big house for ourselves. Him should have go upstairs, him should have tour the house, because people give you their money. So at least show the people them say you do something good, and so them can feel good in themselves, so them help you, and yeah, your kids them alright. And the people them still a think say them not good. So you were sure we don't at the basement now where you say bumble clock, look where them have to go sleep. You should have showed the whole house and show we say you and your kids them alright, but you not have one basement down there, so and when further down, you know go clean it up and you know go put it in our room. But the fact that you come out and show we one house and I say, boy, We are gonna board off there so, and the father go stay in the so, and we're gonna have about 3 bed. Me and the mother and the kids them are go the inner so we have 1 bathroom and we're gonna board off that because time I get cold. You make the people them feel sorry for you and say bumbo cloth Connecticut cold and look how them have to go board off there. So the place don't even look good, honestly. But even know a place like that they are foreign. So when you put out that video that it touch all people out now, people start saying bumbo cloth. Let me tell you this fear one king. People feel sorry for you. Oh, if you come out now for say it's a prank, that's acts of wickedness. You can't do that in a one part now when people sorry for you. Now, suppose something really if it happen to you now and your kids them really need the help because kids they will think about
Guys, everybody help you. Guys, listen, me understand the Ivany saying, but again, that's why we share 2 different views. It's okay for her to feel the way how she feels. It's okay for me to feel the way how I feel. I don't agree with everything that Ivany is saying. She's making sense. But I personally, knowing how the media is, knowing how people beat you for nothing at all.
No, you are going to know that because remember your friend, so you know him more than me, so you know say it's a prank. You are gonna know say a prank. You know when put out, you probably know.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that. I did not know it was a prank. I tell you, I did not know anything. Me, I see everything just like how you are see it, just like how everybody else I see it. But as so me cannot go on. But as when me say no Ivany, I personally feel like say if me Vani, let me tell you something. First of all, if you the pan live a beat me, and your followers them the pan live a beat me, and the whole on the in on the box and beat me go and beat me come. So for example, you say me is a thief. Of course, me I go fucking start act like a thief or click me live and do something where look thiefish. Because that's who I am. Me I go do something for talk about. Because the more you talk about me, and the more views me get, and the more money me make, especially on YouTube. You know this. You know this. So if you know Vanya pull off a prank on your YouTube, and you know that the more the people them talk about you, and people are bringing down and bash you already, and you want to do something extravagant for shame them, this would be the ideal move for shame everybody. My understand say them should have probably just the money part. Me not talk about the money part.
But me not agree to the point. There is you know why
the money part.
You know why me not agree with this
about, right?
I agree with certain things what she said, but the main part there, me not agree with that part. The why? Because you should know that there are certain things that you can run with certain things that you cannot run with. You see like how them would have come out, come say me have herpes, or me pregnant, or my baby father left me, or my man left me now and him don't want me back. Me can't run with that because that is not that serious. But in a situation like this where you did need the help to go with money for transportation for go where you go, and know that you understand you can't run joke with this. This is not something that you run with because we are think about you and your kids and the fact that you run them a serious joke here when we think that you were homeless and really need somewhere. You can't run with that type of joke there. That joke there one totally wrong bang right there, so. So that's just the only part where me give him wrong for. I just the prank, the type only part.
So wait, me could clarify and get it right. So basically you're saying the part that you rang him for is it the money or the prank? Which one? Is it the fact that he collected money or the fact that he pranked the people? Which one?
Alright, so the money part of what me not really get that part that me not understand because as far as me can see it, me not know what me I try to tell you, because me not talk to him. Would have to talk to him for have a better understanding. I don't know. I thank you, Kara. I don't know if me don't know if him did already get the house. If him did already get the house and still collect the money them and go, that means him is a scammer. Because you know you have the money, you should have come collect people money knowing that you don't really need it and you have it. But if him never have the house yet, and the money where him get and him probably give the person who are going to rent him the place or whoever going to help him, if that's the money him use to get the place, then me can say him good panda part there and then would I agree so the only part me wrong you is just the prank. But if you never need the money, you're wrong. But if you did need the money, then
that is what I've been saying to you all along. I've been saying to you, I strongly don't believe that these people had had the house before. Cause listen, if me have a house before Ivany and me and you live together and we not
isn't King live right now? Why we don't add him and ask him? Cause our friend from the media, so we can't assume when he is live. So let's just ask him and see. Guys, call King Fui.
Una call King Fui, but me go on my other phone.
Yeah, call him, cause it don't make no sense. Me and her sit down here so think and we know. Cause maybe we are think the same thing and it's totally different. So we have to call him and make him tell we us go.
But me not gonna beat them. I'm not gonna do it. Me like, just me tell you something. Just like how Ivany and me go down blood clot Emmanuel Road, and me could have forgive her because me see Ivany's story, bro. Me see when Ivany get shot at Jamaica. Me see when Ivany go through a lot of shit. She do a lot of shit too, but she also go through a lot of shit. And when me see people are trying to grow and try to change, I can fuck with them. That's the reason why I fuck with her. Just like how me see King them go through them whole heap of fuckery too, and me see the people them are trying for change, I can fuck with them. People, you see people who have growth in them, me love them people. Destiny, thank you so much, baby.
Yeah.
So me can't not beat them people there. You understand? Me can't do like me can only see it one way and try to split it. Then in a match, when me have a phone.
Yeah.
But me not like, me not feel like say, hear this one here. The cap, she ain't changing. You, someone know Ivany on TikTok still, so me understand. What everybody on TikTok did the same. Yeah, what everybody do? What I talk about? What they say we do Destiny? Everybody did the same, trust me. Oh, what you mean? Like say something happened to them when it happened? When me had a phone there, let me go look if King in a match and call him. Guys, wanna tell King say me I call him. Cause me don't King black majority of my people. Them. Cause my people them are not Jamaica, you know. That's why someone get black. Cause I go for people like go trouble them. So I go get black. Chef, wanna go over and go tell King say we are call him there. Me not see no comment from your Destiny. Me not know which part Nisia baby, I beg you one way, sister. Me can't come off for the live, I broke tonight. Every time I come live, me come off broke. Like me have go come over here and make me and Jelani bust a fight on the live and go viral.
Yeah, one man.
And then me come tell me say me I go left me man and me I go move out and me want to no help. Cause probably no help me so because when me over here me and him not fight and we all live good. Every day on the class we say we war and we not war, you know. And if we did a war, why me that come over? You come back too and I beg for true, me not tell no lie. Destiny tongues. Right now that are the in thing to blood clot. You have to over here war and tear down. We found Vany the other day when Vany and him man a tear down place. Vany life full. Let me tell you, if you go on over YouTube and all, listen.
Me so
I better take the blood clot for YouTube live and pull on them the blood clot views that we pull on girl that sit down for money now.
Me so post back from YouTube, man. I just do sometimes I can't bother with edit and them something, but I soon post back.
Nobody edit, girl. People love you. You have supporters. You have people
like
tell you guys.
Me like when you edit YouTube video.
Stop it, baby. Stop it.
But me like when you edit the YouTube video, them for post them.
Yeah, me know what you mean, but me I say not just video. Like if you are talking story time, if you can't bother to edit, just I want to say just video and put it up.
Oh, yeah. Well, guys, I said, because sometimes, you know, people help them. So even if something go out and you feel like somebody scam you, or you feel like somebody take your money and do something different, just look at it, say, boy, your heart good car. The person did seem like them want help, or them want the help, and you help them from the goodness of your heart. So just call it, say, just say you help them from the goodness of your heart, and you just help a man, you don't care what you want to do with the money, you just help them, you're gone.
Call King for me there, please. Hear what me know, Vany. People them must say King did come and beg food and blow up bed. Me not tell a lie. When me looking at the house, me see food and blow up bed in it. So me don't know what else. They say people them scam them with, but me see food in the fridge and me see blow up bed. If they come back what TV money now, I only not see no TV, me that understand. But if things them way beg, me see them in the house.
And then again, you have to understand that this social media thing is just so weird. Cause look at it now. And this is what me see, and it's facts. Me see people come on the media and them ask for things. Thank you, Rudy baby. Them ask for stuff like I want money for the surgery, I want money for becoming a live nowhere. and them cry and them ball for the money, and the people them sorry for them and help them. Hey, mama sweetness, the people them sorry for them and help them. And when I take a start, when I take a stock, I lie and I scammer them. Them don't need the money to do what them do. But the people them will come out and tell the truth about what them exactly what them want the money for do. Them don't get it. Like me come out and me say, me need money to go to surgery because my body me want go do.
Yeah.
Me not tell them, my little sensation them did help me get little change. But
thank you,
me know if me did come out and tell one lie say me need to go to surgery or I sick or I need to go to that or my grandfather sick or if me did tell some lie, me know me that make the money in ease and that it's true people realize that when you tell lie you get the money faster than when you tell truth. That's why everybody now come and them tell all these type of story for get the money.
And that's why in a one way I kind of low TikTok too, but me get to realize that me can't drown my personality. Ari, come here quick. Me can't drown my personality. Ivany for people where whether me do good them not like me, whether me do bad them still not like me. So they just live. But bad Nisa, where then you give you come from? Them pretty star.
Thank you, baby.
At this point, guys, me not care, me just a live. They can't call my name from now till next year, me not be sneezing. Because you see, when we not cuss and we not in a bagger, they say we fall off. And when we not want in a bagger, they say we fall off. Me tired of it, me just can't, but so right now, me just a live. Me just a live. Me just a live, brother. It is what it is. We're not gonna judge. Y'all are gonna judge us regardless. Spoil, thank you, everybody there. We are supporting me. I want to say thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and everybody. Happy life. Thank you so much. Krista, thank you. Guys, let us just put it out there. I'm not saying anything bad about King. Ivany's not saying anything bad about them. It's like the both of us have two different process, and the both of us see the situation in a different light. You understand? And it is totally okay. You and somebody can have two different views about the same topic, but you guys don't have to be disrespectful to each other to get your points across. You understand? We could have there, so we could have say different views until we start cuss. That's not the case. She feels a way about it, I feel a way about it, and we bring across our points respectfully. That can happen. I saw if it happen. Guys, 1,000 points, activate the double. So, right. 1,000 points, guys, activate the double. And I saw it happen with everybody soon. I want bash me. Good, he said, never bash me. No business. Baby T, thank you. Little Miss, thank you, baby. Guys. Destiny, thank you, baby. I want to be Destiny always support me. Guys, pan it up now. Bella love, big up yourself, baby. Guys, pan the double. I mean, me not talk about any everybody on TikTok. I only talk about people when me know say me and them cool and they know say me intentions pure. You understand? Right. Me not gonna see everybody's situation and talk about it. You have to know like one have to talk about in a conflict every day with people. Right.
So did they address anything on the media since night when I'm the live?
I don't know because I didn't even know that.
So how?
I don't know because everybody know they was live.
Prank. Did them tell the people them say a prank? Guys, we are about to get 6. We need to break this.
Yes. Yeah, I think they did on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, on YouTube I think. Not the whole fight and stuff, you know. So just the whole
the video where them post on TikTok are showing where them live now, so them have a bad. Did they post that video on YouTube?
It's not on it was on YouTube. The whole thing is a whole video on YouTube.
On YouTube that can be a prank. Or
that's why I tell you to prank them a prank it. Yes, on YouTube them drop it up people screen record and put you over your Ivany. But the people that put up piece of video, if you watch it whole video on YouTube, you realize it's a prank.
Oh.
You realize that because they show you the room where they going and they show you how they set up the camera, everything, and they make you know say, and this is outside they actually living up, but because of all people that beat them and that bring them down, the people them do a whole speech up there. Just as she said, if you hate and bully people and bring them down, no worth it because people's situation can change just like this. So that's why me know it's a prank.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, guys, on the ear.
Yeah.
Yes, it's been a busy week for us Jamaicans, you feel me? Don't forget to go up on my dancehall story channel on the Boom Bye Bye News. Check out more Bagga Bagga Mix Up, you see what I say? Yeah, because I'm out. Bless.